AI customer support, the future or a passing trend? Trend nga pa to o talagang future na ng customer service? Alam niyo bang maraming companies ngayon ang gumagamit ng AI chatbot para sumagot ng mga inquiries? Mas mabilis, mas efficient, at available 24/7. Pero may pros and cons din yan. Hi, I'm Miel, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for 3 years now. So let's talk about it. So ano nga ba ang advantage ng AI customer support? First on the list, fast and available 24/7. Sino ba naman ang may gustong maghintay ng 30 minutes para lang sa simpleng tanong, di ba? AI can respond instantly. Cost-effective. Companies save money kasi, so hindi na nila kailangan ng maraming tao para magsagot ng inquiries. Consistent and accurate responses. AI doesn't get tired. Kung may common question na paulit-ulit, same lang din ang response every time without mistakes. Imagine, faster, cheaper, and dependable. But of course, no system is perfect. So let's dive into the downside. Lack of human touch. Paano kung complicated ang issue mo? AI can't understand emotions like frustration or urgency. Limited understanding. Kapag may tanong ka na hindi nakaprogram sa AI, either walang sagot o mali ang maibibigay. Trust issues. Marami pa rin na may gustong kausap na totoong tao, lalo na pag sensitive ang concern. Experts say hindi mawawala ang human support. Instead, AI will assist, not replace, customer service representative. Mas mabilis na service, pero may option ka pa rin na kumausap ng tao when needed. Ikaw, gusto mo ba ng all AI experience? Or gusto mo pa rin ng human touch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.